Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Barn Bootcamp membership. If you want to cancel your membership on Barn Bootcamp, or if you want a break from this campaign, then you just need to follow this process. First, cancel Barn Bootcamp on iPhone. If you are using an iOS device, follow the steps below to cancel your Barn Bootcamp solutions. Click Settings on your iPhone, open your Apple ID profile, then link the subscriptions menu on the profile page. After this, scroll through the list and select Barn Bootcamp. Then tap on the Cancel Subscription button at the bottom of the page. The process of cancelling your subscription will be complete if you click the cancel button. Then head to the cancellation process for Android users. If you are using an Android device, follow the steps below to cancel your Barn Bootcamp subscription. Launch your Play Store app on your device. Tap the hamburger menu icon on the left hand side of your screen. Then select subscription from the list. After this, click Barn Bootcamp and tap on Cancel Subscription. You are likely to be asked why you are canceling the subscription, but you can skip this step. Then click the Cancel Subscription. This continues your Barn Bootcamp subscription. Now see the process how to canceling via Barn Bootcamp customer service. You can call or email Barn Boot customer care and request them to cancel your membership. They are likely to ask you several questions to confirm your identity before canceling your subscription. Then fourth is canceling Barn Bootcamp on its website. You can cancel your Barn Bootcamp subscription on its website or application. You log into your Barn Bootcamp account and go to your account page, click on billings or subscriptions and tap cancel. That's the simplest way of canceling your Barn Bootcamp membership. Hope you found this video helpful. Then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.